This other video where I talked about, how there used to not be police officers everywhere. There used to be way fewer police officers, way fewer sheriffs and stuff like that. So I want to say I came to this beach. It's a local beach. I'm not going to say where it is. Those of you that know. And there's just beer cans everywhere. There's just stupid crap going on out here, and it's very obvious, right? Very obvious that teenagers are out here, young people even, just doing stupid things. And they would swear that they don't want cops involved in their life, but you're bringing all this attention on yourself by leaving your beer cans everywhere, by, you just think you're having fun. You can have fun. You can even bend the rules a little bit and maybe do a couple things you're not supposed to do. But for God's sake, if you're going to do a couple things you're not supposed to be doing, then clean up after yourself. Don't leave evidence that you had a big drinking party, probably a bunch of people that weren't even 21 drinking. Why would you do that? You don't need a society with thousands of rules. I agree with that. But at the same time, if you're gonna do stuff that you're technically not supposed to be doing, you should be smart about it. I don't understand why so many young people are just wide the fuck open with doing dumb things. Just doing dumb things that set them, there's a thing in law enforcement called plain view doctrine. They don't need a warrant to search your car if there's something illegal going on in plain view. Okay? You've literally opened the door for them to search your entire vehicle because you have an empty beer can on the dashboard. Why do so many people do dumb things wide the fuck out in the open? And then it's, people say, well, let them deal with the punishment for that. No, because what ends up happening is the beach becomes a police state. The beach becomes a total police state because people, a lot of which are not even from here, in places like Panama City, where thousands of people that are not from this state come here and act like a jackass on the beach, and then for decades and decades and decades, people would drink beer and fish on the beach, and it wasn't a problem until certain people showed up, made it a problem, because it's not just you hanging out drinking a beer. You have to have a riot and fights and people shooting each other. You don't have to do all that. And yeah, certain demographics are more known for this than others, and we're not going to go into that. I don't want to get in trouble with YouTube, but self-governance, okay? It's something that could equally apply to everybody. There's no reason that, any given person anywhere in the world watching this needs to know this concept of self-governance. Being your own police, policing yourself so that you don't have to have external authorities telling you what to do. It's not just self-reliance, it's self-governance. And if you see a friend doing something stupid, you need to tell him he's doing something stupid. Too many young men are not being leaders. Too many young men are letting other young men be nihilistic, stupid, drunken, drug addict losers that cause public disturbances and chaos. And what ends up happening is your beach gets turned into a police state. And you can pretend, we're going to just spray paint an anarchy sign on the side of the wall, and y'all ain't living like that. The moment 3 or 4 squad cars show up, y'all are done with that. So just shut up about that, because you guys aren't living like that. If you were living like that, you'd be out in the woods training. You'd be going out there every weekend training if you were really living like that. You guys aren't living like that. So pick up the trash. If you have a party on the beach, pick up after yourself, because nothing shows, hey, we need to put more cops here than having trash all over the beach. Having drug paraphernalia and trash and garbage and stupid shit, and older people out here enjoying their retirement, or just anybody that's on the beach, they don't want to see that shit. Regular, responsible citizens that have a real life, that have kids, that are actually doing real shit in the real world, don't want to go to a beach with trash and drug paraphernalia all over the place. Tax-paying citizens don't want to deal with that because a bunch of people refuse to grow up. And again, nobody's saying you can't have your little party. In fact, I'm not telling you can't have your little party. But if you keep messing up, some authorities are going to come in and tell you can't have your party. You govern yourself, or you'll get governed. If you don't govern yourself, somebody else will come in and govern you. We have a long tradition in America of self-reliance, self-governance, minding your own business, taking care of your shit. I don't want authorities telling me what to do. I can take care of myself, and I know how to conduct myself in public. I don't act like a jackass in public. I don't do crazy things in public. And I don't want to live in a police state. And people that act stupid in public for attention, and, you know, I mean, this is a subject for another video. Some of y'all need to find better ways of getting attention. Because, like, calling random black people the N-word is like, it's not original. Yeah, we get it. They freak out when you use the N-word. Haha, it's funny. I mean, you can't do a whole season of episodes of that. That gets boring after one episode. That's not even, I mean, like, that's a one-trick pony. That's not, like, that's maybe one video of that could be funny. But, like, who wants to watch that over and over again? It's boring. It's not, you know, young men have to find better ways to get attention. Stop being a high school student. You're a grown man. Stop turning your society into some Lord of the Flies high school class. It's not what you're living in. All that's going to happen is the politicians are going to say, look how out of control these people are. And they're going to have more cops, more laws, more prisons, more jails, because you guys can't police yourselves and govern yourselves. You know, I'm tired of seeing these young men drive 100 miles an hour down the road in their daddy's truck. I'm tired of seeing trash and garbage everywhere. I'm tired of seeing everybody drunk and high. And it's just dumb. It's dumb. The shit y'all do for attention and for other people's approval is dumb. How about you be original for once? Do something nobody else is doing. Not enough original people left. Everybody wants to be some other guy. You want to watch a music video and pretend to be this guy instead of just being yourself. So originality, unfortunately, is dead with a lot of young men, and I hope we can bring it back. And, you know, our generations, you know, younger millennials and Gen Z, we are desperate for leaders. And I never really wanted to be like a generational leader, but I feel more and more I'm forced into this position because I have so many of you guys really need guidance with this stuff, okay? And I said in the other video, power is demonstrated. It's not explained. If you want respect and you want power and you want influence, you need to provide value to the society you live in. You need to figure out how to provide value to the society you live in, provide value to your family, your people, your tribe, whatever. That's how you get real influence and real power. Nobody cares about the dumb stunt you do for 15 minutes of fame. You know, I've been there, I've done that. You know, that's normal behavior at 21, 22, 23 years old. I don't fault you if you're that age and you're doing stuff like that here and there. But the faster you grow the fuck up and grow out of that, the faster you'll get real power, real respect, real influence. You know, and those of you that are 40 years old acting like little kids, I got no sympathy for y'all. I just don't. I don't have any sympathy. You guys are old enough to know better. But that's my take on it. I believe in ordered liberty. I believe in self-governance. Govern yourself. I don't know how to make that any clearer. Police yourself. Be your own police officer. Regulate your own behavior so another grown-ass man doesn't have to tell you what to do. I do not want a grown-ass man telling me what to do. So I tell myself what to do. Check out the merchandise I sell. I sell this really good athletic camouflage stuff. Watch out, Realtree, Mossy Oak. I'm coming for y'all. I got a better product than y'all. Some of the best camouflage patterns in the world I sell. You guys at least want to check it out. I don't care if you buy anything, just check it out. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb, signing off.